Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good and safe at home. So once again, welcome back to the class beta. Today we will start our new chapter and this is practical geometry chapter number 4. Okay. So what will we do in this chapter? We will do the construction of the shapes. Okay, constructions of the shapes like quadrilateral, rhombus, parallelograms, whatever it is given, we will do the construction. Okay, so first chapter, chapter number 4, practical geometry, first exercise, it is given construction of a quadrilateral. What is given in the first exercise? It is given construction of a quadrilateral. So in the construction of quadrilateral, in our first exercise, it is given when lengths of 4 sides are given and one diagonal is given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral? Clear? When 4 sides, all the 4 sides are given. Okay, quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Simple, 4 sides are given, so it will be quadrilateral. So simply, and how many diagonals will be there? 2 diagonals. Okay, when you will meet when you will draw the line segment joined by the opposite vertices, so it will be quadrilateral like that. For example, if you are taking the quadrilateral like that, okay, for example, this is a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, ABCD is a quadrilateral. So you can say what are the diagonals? Line segment joined by the opposite vertices. So A is opposite to C and B is opposite to D. So how many sides and how many diagonals are there? 4 sides and 2 diagonals. Okay, so this is called the quadrilateral. So you will construct the quadrilateral where? Okay, how many sides are given? 4 sides are given and 2 diagonals. Sorry, 1 diagonal is given. In first exercise only 1 diagonal is given and how many sides are given? 4 sides are given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral? Clear beta? For example, we will see the question first. For example, it is given construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter and AC is 7 centimeter. So how will you construct the quadrilateral? So for example, beta, this is ABCD quadrilateral. So first of all, what will you do? You will do a roughly diagram. Okay, what will you do? You will make a rough diagram of quadrilateral ABCD. For example, I am making a quadrilateral like that, A, B, C, D. Okay, for example, this is a quadrilateral ABCD. So here what is given? AB is 4.5 centimeter. So for example, this one, AB is 4.5, BC is 5.5. So this one is 5.5. Next, CD is 4 centimeter and AD is 6 centimeter. Okay, and one diagonal AC is 7 centimeter. So this one diagonal is given AC and this is given 7 centimeter. Okay, so this is the roughly quadrilateral. Okay, first you will draw a rough diagram of quadrilateral ABCD. So first, for example, beta, ABCD is a quadrilateral. So you will write all the sides, whatever it is given, lengths 4.5, AB, BC is 5.5, DC is 4 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter and the diagonal AC is given 7 centimeter. Okay, now you will construct the quadrilateral. Okay, how will you construct beta? So I will tell you step by step how will you construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Clear? So first one, what will you do in this quadrilateral beta? For example, you have made a roughly quadrilateral. This is ABCD. Okay. After that, how will you construct a quadrilateral in a proper way? So simply first you will draw the diagonal whatever it is given. Okay. So here one diagonal is given. This is AC. So first you will draw the diagonal. So the diagonal line. So what will you do? You will take a scale. Okay. First what will you do? You will take a scale. With the help of scale, you will draw the line AC. Straight line. Okay. AC. This is 7 centimeter. Clear? So first step, what will you do? The first you will draw the diagonal. Okay, length of the diagonal, what is given? 7 centimeter. So first you will draw the diagonal, and before the diagonal you can see beta, this one. This one triangle is given. This one. Okay, and downwards also one triangle is given. This one. Okay, so what will you do? First you will draw a diagonal 7 centimeter. Okay, so AC is 7 centimeter. So you will take a ruler, your ruler, with the help of ruler, you will take the length of 7 centimeter. Okay, you will take the length 7 centimeter. So this is AC 7 centimeter. After that, second step, okay, if you are taking from point A, you will take a compass and you will open it 6 centimeter and you will draw a arc. Okay, how many centimeters? 6 centimeter. Same from point C, you will open 4 centimeter and you will draw the arc, and these two arcs will meet at one common point and this point will be D point. Okay, what will be that point? So it will be D point. So how many centimeter length is AC from, okay, first you have drawn beta AC. This is 7 centimeter. So AC is 7 centimeter you have drawn. Now you will draw the line AD. Okay, AD. So AD is 6 centimeter. So what will you do, beta? You will take a compass. Okay, you will take a compass and you will put at point A, and first with the help of ruler you will open your compass 6 centimeter. Clear? For example, if you have any compass, I don't have for example. Okay, fine. For example, this is your compass. Okay, beta. For example, sorry, this is your ruler. So with the help of ruler, you will open. This is compass. So you will open your compass, beta, 6 centimeter. Okay, with the help of ruler, you will take a compass and you will open it. How many centimeter? 6 centimeter. Because A to D, what is the length? It is 6 centimeter. So you will put your compass at the point A and you will draw the arc. How many centimeter? It will be 6 centimeter. Okay, you will open your compass 6 centimeter and you will draw the arc. Same like that at point C, D. You will draw the line CD. So CD also how many centimeter it is given? 4 centimeter. So same time you will take a ruler and with the help of compass open it 4 centimeter. Put at point C and draw the arc of 4 centimeter like that. Okay, it will be 4 centimeter. So it will cut like that. It will cut like that. Okay, so with the help at the point A you will draw, it will be 6 centimeter. From point C you will open the compass and you will draw the arc of 4 centimeter. After that, common point, okay, intersecting point. What is the intersecting point of both the lines? It is point D. So you will give the name, it will be D. Clear? You will give the name, it will be point D. Okay, after that what will you do? You will join the line AD and CD. After that, step by step you will solve, beta, and you will write the lengths also. Okay, so what is the length AD? AD is given 6 centimeter. You have drawn, this is 6 centimeter, and CD is 4 centimeter. Is it clear? First, what will you do? Here 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given, beta. So first of all you will draw the diagonal. This is AC. Okay, AC 7 centimeter is given. So first you will draw the diagonal AC 7 centimeter. After that you can see from point A to D and C to D. Okay, one common point is given D. So you can draw the arc from point A and C, and the intersecting point of both the lines will be the point number D. So what is the length? Here 6 centimeter, here 4 centimeter. So from point A you will take, from the help of compass you will draw the arc of 6 centimeter. From point C you will draw the arc of 4 centimeter, and the intersecting point of both the arc is point D. After that you will join the line AD and next one is CD. Okay, so this one part, upper part you have done, this triangle. Okay, this triangle and this part you have done. Now lower part also you will do. Okay, so same, if you will take a compass and with the help of compass and ruler, you will make an arc of 4.5 centimeter from point A, and from point C 5.5 centimeter downwards of the diagonals. So what will you do? The intersecting point will be point number B. Clear? So same like that, beta, what will you do? From point A you will draw the arc with the help of ruler. Okay, for example, this is your ruler, this is your compass. You will open your compass with the help of ruler 4.5 centimeter, and you will draw the arc. You will put your compass at point A and you will draw the arc 4.5 centimeter like that. Clear? Same like that from point C it will be 5.5. So same like that you will draw the arc at point C. This will be open it at 5.5 centimeter and draw the arc like that. Clear? After that what will you do? The intersecting point of both the line segment is B. So you will give the name, this point, this one is B point. Clear? This one point is B point. After that make the line, draw the line. So it will be AB, join the line, and CB. Okay, AB and join the line AB and CB. And what is the length of AB, beta? So AB is 4.5 centimeter and BC is 5.5 centimeter. Clear? So this is your required quadrilateral. Okay, so how will you construct the quadrilateral? In first exercise all the 4 sides are given, one diagonal is given. So how will you draw the quadrilateral? First of all you will make a roughly diagram of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so for example ABCD is a quadrilateral. These are the sides and this one is the diagonal AC is 7 centimeter. Clear? After that you will complete first upper part, after that this one part, downward parts. Okay, so what you have to do? First you have to draw the diagonal AC. So first you will draw the diagonal AC 7 centimeter. After that the upper part you have to do, and the intersecting point of these two lines is point number D. So from point A you will open your compass at 6 centimeter and draw the arc. From point C, you will open your compass 4 centimeter and you will draw the arc. And these two arcs will meet at intersecting point, and the intersecting point of these two arcs will be point D. After that, simply join the line AD and CD. Clear? Same like that downwards also. If you will draw this one triangle, so you have to draw the intersecting point of AB, and BC is point number B. So AB you will open your compass at 4.5 centimeter and draw the arc from point A. Same from point C also you will draw the arc 5.5 centimeter. After that you will join the line AD and BC. So this is your required quadrilateral where four sides AB, BC, CD and AD is given and diagonal AC is given. Clear beta? So like that you have to draw the quadrilateral. After that you have to do the construction also. Okay. What you have to do? You have to do the construction of the quadrilateral also. So construction of the quadrilateral you can do in your own language also. Okay. So what you have to do, better simple step by step only you have to write. For example, if you are doing the construction, so I am writing one construction here. Okay, like that you can complete all the construction. For example, first line, first what you have to do in this diagram. First you have drawn the diagonal AC and this is 7 centimeter. Okay, so first of all you will write the line construction. In the construction, first draw a line segment. Draw a line segment. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, first step, draw a line segment. AC is 7 centimeter. Clear? After that, second step, what you have to do? Okay, what you have did, so here what you have done, the second step beta. Second step is from point A, you will open your compass 6 centimeter and draw the arc. Clear? From point C also, you will open your compass 4 centimeter and draw the arc. And the intersecting point of both the arc is point number 3. Clear? So second point, draw the arc. Draw the arc from point A is equal to point A is equal to 6 centimeter and from point D is equal to, and D is equal to beta 4 centimeter. Okay, so what you have done beta in second step, you have drawn the arc from point A. You will open your compass and you will draw the arc from point A 6 centimeter, from point C 4 centimeter. Clear? Now third step, intersecting point of both arc is, intersecting point of both the arc is point D. Clear? Intersecting point of both the arc is point number D, point D. After that, next step, you will join the line AD and CD. Okay. Next step, fourth step, join line segment. Join the line segment AD and CD. Clear? Okay, join the line segment AD and CD. So beta, you can complete the construction in your own language also. Okay, it is not necessary and not important that you have to do in my language only. Okay, you can do in your own language. Okay, step by step only you have to write the step. First step what you have did, second what you have did. Then okay, first step only simple, you have drawn a line AC. Okay, this is 7 centimeter. Second step, you from point A you will draw the arc 6 centimeter. From point C 4 centimeter. Intersecting point of both the arc is point D. And after that you will join the line AD and CD. Clear? Upper part is clear. Same like that you will do the downward part also. Okay. So next step, point number 5. Point number 5. Draw the arc from point A. Draw arc from point A 7 centimeter and point from point D is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Okay. Draw an arc from point A 7 centimeter and from D is equal to 5.5 centimeter. And where are you drawing? downwards of diagonal AC. Okay beta, downwards of diagonal AC. Clear? These two arcs you are drawing downwards of diagonal AC, and before that you have done the arc upwards. Okay, upwards of the diagonal AC. Okay beta. So you will draw that arc from point A 7 centimeter and D 5.5 centimeter downwards of line segment AC. Okay, not diagonal. You will write line segment. Line segment AC. Clear? After that it is not visible. So beta I am writing here. Okay, I am writing here. Next step, sixth step. So sixth step you will write intersecting point of both the arc. Same line, intersecting point of both arc is, what is the intersecting point downwards? B. Okay, is B, and join, next step, seventh step, join line segment, join the line segment AB and BC. Okay, AB and BC, and in last step, point number 8, you will write hence ABCD is a required quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral. Clear beta? So construction, you have to do the construction of all the questions also. Okay beta? So first question, first what will you do if any quadrilateral is given? Okay, so in your first exercise 4 sides are given, 1 diagonal is given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral? First you will draw the doubly diagram. After that you can see 1 diagonal is given. This diagonal first you will draw. Okay, so first here what is given? AC diagonal is given. So simply you can say first you will draw the diagonal AC. This is 7 centimeter, and upwards one point will be the intersecting points. Downward also you can see, because in the rough diagram also you can see beta, one triangle will be upwards and one triangle will be downwards of the diagonal. Okay, so intersecting point of the upward side it will be D, and downwards it will be B. Okay, so simply how many lengths you will take from point A? It will be 6 centimeter. Open your compass and draw the arc. From point C 4 centimeter. Open your compass and draw the arc. After that you will join the line AB and CD. Clear? The same downwards also, from point A you will open your compass and you will draw the arc 4.5 centimeter, and from point C you will draw the arc 5.5 centimeter. After that intersecting point of both the arc is B here. After that join the line AB and BC. Okay, so you can say this is your required, ABCD is your required quadrilateral. So like that you have to do the construction. So construction beta you can do in your own language, only step by step you have to write the line. Okay, step by step you will write the line what you have done in your question in your quadrilateral. Okay, so I have given one example of construction. Like that you have to complete from second, third, fourth questions. I will do the only question. Okay, you have to do the construction yourself beta. Clear? Question number first is clear beta? Okay. Now, for example, question number second is given in your book. First question I have explained. Second question, quadrilateral jump. Okay, JUMP. That is given quadrilateral jump, JUMP. Okay, where JU is 3.5 centimeter, UM 4 centimeter, MP 5 centimeter, PJ 4.5 centimeter, PU 6.5 centimeter. Clear? Quadrilateral JUMP is given. What you have to do? You have to draw this quadrilateral where sides are given JU 3.5, UM 4 centimeter, MP 5 centimeter, PJ 4.5 and PU is 6.5 centimeter. So beta you can see in this quadrilateral, in first exercise I have already told you what is given. 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given. Okay, when 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given, so how will you construct your quadrilateral? So first step I have already told you, you will draw the rough diagram of the quadrilateral. So what is this quadrilateral name? Jump. Okay, JUMP. So for example, this is your quadrilateral. For example, this is your quadrilateral JUMP. Okay, after that what will you do? You will write the name. JU is length is 3.5, UM is 4 centimeter, MP is 5 centimeter, and PJ is 4.5 centimeter, and after that PU is 6.5. So what is PU? PU is this one diagonal, okay, and length of this diagonal is given 6.5. Clear? PU is 6.5 centimeter and this diagonal, so this diagonal length is given beta 6.5 centimeter. Clear? Now first step, this is a rough diagram of quadrilateral. Now you have to construct your quadrilateral. So first step, what will you do? You will draw the diagonal. Okay, first what you have to do, you will draw the diagonal. Before left side and right side you can see this one is one triangle and this one is one triangle. Okay, so you will make one by one upward sides and downward sides. So first step, you have to draw the diagonal. So first draw the line segment PU. What is the name of this diagonal? PU. So you will draw PU is 6.5 centimeter. So this line you will draw with the help of your scale, okay, ruler. Okay, with the help of ruler you will draw the line PU. This is 6.5 centimeter. Now what you have to do? First you will draw this one triangle. So what is the intersecting point of both the lines? Point number M, point M. Okay, and what is the length from P to M? This is 5 centimeter, and from U to M this is 4 centimeter. So second step, at point P, okay, from point P you will put your compass, and with the help of ruler you will open it with 5 centimeter. Okay, how many centimeter? 5 centimeter you will open and put your compass here and make the arc like that. Clear? From point P you will draw the arc like that. How many centimeter you will draw this arc? From point P to M. Okay, so you are drawing, this is given 5 centimeter. So you will, with the help of your compass and ruler, you will open your compass 5 centimeter. From point P you will draw the arc. Okay, after that from point U to M the length is given 4 centimeter. So from point U you will open your compass and you will open it with the help of ruler 4 centimeter, and you will draw the arc 4 centimeter like that. Clear? After that these two arcs will meet at one common intersecting point, and this point is point M. You will give the name this point, and this is M. Clear? After that simply join the line segment PM and MQ. So this one parts, okay, this one triangle you have done, okay, you have completed this one triangle. Clear? Now you will do this one part also. So in this triangle beta, PJ and UJ. So what is the intersecting point? Intersecting point is J. Intersecting point is J. And what is the length of PJ? So from P to J it is 4.5 centimeter. So at point P you will put your compass, and with the help of ruler you will open it 4.5 centimeter and draw the arc from point P like that. Okay. For example, this is your arc 4.5 centimeter. Clear? Now from point U to J. What is the length? 3.5. So with the help of compass, you will put your compass here at point U, and with the help of ruler, you will open it 3.5 centimeter and draw the arc like that. Clear? 3.5. So these arc will meet, okay, like that. This one from point U, you will draw like that beta, and from point U, so for example like that. These two arc will meet at one common point, okay, intersect. These two arcs will intersect definitely beta, okay, and the intersecting point of these two arcs will be point J. Point J. After that you will draw the line segment PJ and meet the line at UJ. And what is the length? You have to write the length also. PJ is 4.5, UJ is 3.5. So this triangle also you have done, and in this triangle you have not written the length, so you will write the length PM. So PM is 5 centimeter. And MU is given 4 centimeter. Clear? Now this is your required quadrilateral. What is the name? JUMP. So JUMP. Okay, and PU is the diagonal here 6.5 centimeter. So this is your required quadrilateral. Clear all of you? So like that you, now after that you have to do the construction of this quadrilateral also. So step by step you will write the steps. First step, you will draw the line segment PU is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Second step, from point P, you will open your compass 5 centimeter and draw the arc. From point P, you will open your compass 4 centimeter and draw the arc. These two arcs will meet at one intersecting point, and this intersecting point will be point M. After that, next step, join the line segment PM and UM. Clear? Now next step, from point P, you will open your compass and put draw the arc. And from point U also, you will open your compass 3.5 centimeter and draw the arc. After that, meet the line segment PJ and UJ. Clear? Now you can write, this is your required JUMP. This is your required quadrilateral JUMP. So like that, step by step, you can write the construction also. Okay, so I am not writing the construction, but you have to write in your notebook. In all the questions, you have to write the construction also step by step, what you have done in the question. So this is your required quadrilateral JUMP. So what you have to do, beta, first step, you will draw the rough quadrilateral. What you will do, you will draw the rough quadrilateral, and with the help of this rough quadrilateral, you will draw the original quadrilateral, required quadrilateral. First you have to draw the diagonal. After that, the upper two triangles are there, you can see. After that, the upper parts and the lower parts you can draw in this required quadrilateral. Clear, all of you? After that, next question. In this quadrilateral also, you have to write the construction also. Okay, in this quadrilateral also, you will write the construction. And construction, how will you write? Step by step you will write like that. Same in question number 1 I have told you. First step, you will write construction. In construction, step by step you will write. So you will write step 1, draw the line segment, whatever the diagonal is given. Okay, draw the line segment. For example, JU line diagonal is given, and this is 7 centimeter. After that, you will put the you will draw the arc from point J. How many centimeter it is given? Open it and draw the arc from point U also. After that, join the line segment. So like that, you have to complete the construction. Construction I have written in first question. Okay, I have told you in the first question. Same like that, you have to complete in all the 4 questions. Clear? So first and second question I have explained. After that, you have to practice the third and fourth question also. Clear, all of you? Okay, so that is all about today. If you have doubt, please join the doubt class for the doubt session.